Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Today I want to do a quick tutorial on how to make a Disney dining reservation in the My Disney Experience account. So you can do this on the app, on your phone, which I'll have another tutorial for that process. But today we're going to do it on a desktop computer. Sometimes I think it's a little bit easier to see everything you need to see on a desktop, but it's just whatever you're comfortable with and your preference. But where we're going to start is at the Disney World website. So you're going to go to disneyworld.disney.go.com. And then to access your My Disney Experience account, you're going to click over here where it says My Disney Experience. And then it's going to take us to our plans here. It's going to make me sign in. And at this point, you should already have set up your account. You should already have your park pass reservations made if that's still a thing, and be all set, know what day you're going to which park so you know where you need to make your dining reservations. You should have all that set up. If you're going with another family or other family members that are on a separate reservation, make sure they're linked in your My Friends and Family. So when you log in at 6 a.m., 60 days ahead of your reservation, you can just go right for those reservations. Okay, so finally got us logged in here. I have another video about how to make those park pass reservations that I'll link up in the card if you're interested, but this is where you would come to do that. Your resort hotel reservation should already be linked here, but this is where you would do it. And then your friends or family list is here. And if you scroll down, it should show you. So these are some of the reservations that I already have made. I've already made all of my park pass reservations, and then I've already made quite a few dining reservations, but that's what I'm going to show you today. So when you're scrolling through this, you can either come up here to add more plans, or at the very top, it will show you dining and you can make a reservation. So either way, I'm just going to click on the make a reservation here. And then it's going to launch me into the dining reservations. Alternately, if you weren't in your My Disney Experience account, you can also come up here to things to do and go to make reservations. And that's another way to get to it. But I think going in through your account is the easiest. Okay, so this just brings me in, and it's all restaurants, all resorts, everywhere that I can make a reservation. What I'm going to do is try and narrow this down a little bit, right? So I am looking at, we're going in December and we're going to go the 4th through the 11th. And I'm looking specifically at the 7th, and we're going to be at Hollywood Studios that day. So I'm going to use this filter here and just pick Hollywood Studios, because this is going to really help narrow down my options here. And then where I said we're going in December, and I'm specifically looking at the 7th, and I want to do a dinner reservation. You can pick a specific time if you're looking for a specific time, but I feel like the breakfast, brunch, lunch, dinner, it gives you a good time range. So if there's not something available at that specific time, you can still see what's available if there's something close. And for those hard to get reservations, it's good to be flexible with your time. There's 4 of us going, so I'm going to search times. Hollywood Studios on December 7th. For dinner for 4 people. Let's see what they come back with. And then it's going to show me everything that's available here at the top. And then down at the bottom, it would show me the things that are not available. So these are the 7 restaurants with no availability, just in case you were looking for something specific and you want to make sure. Okay, so these are my options for that Tuesday evening. If you want to learn more about the restaurant or see their menu, I always open it in a new tab so it doesn't lose my place back on the original page. But here, I'm looking at Mom Melrose. I know it's an Italian restaurant, and it'll tell you a little bit about it. You can view the menu here. And we're going for dinner, so I'm going to make sure I look at the dinner menu. So I'm going to look here and make sure there's something for all of us to eat at the dinner menu. You can see the entrees and the prices, desserts, kids. Okay, so I can see here, yeah, they'll eat a cheese pizza, they'll eat spaghetti. And then you can, scroll down if you're interested in seeing all of their options. They have a pretty extensive menu, so I feel like that's good. Another thing Disney's really good at is those allergy-friendly options as well. So a lot of the restaurants have that, but if that's something you are looking for specifically, that might be a time to look at the menu and you can see all those. So I think that looks like a good option for us. Let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and do this 6:45, I think. So it will go ahead and pull through. It's going to let me pick who all is coming. And you can see I have, more people than just my kiddos on our friends and family list from a past trip. Okay, got everybody picked. And then the next screen is it says payment down here. Most reservations at Disney are just going to be held with a credit card. Nothing is going to be charged to your card, but if you no show or don't cancel within 1 day of your reservation, then they will charge you $10 per person on that reservation. So just be mindful of that. Now, some of the higher end, harder to get reservations like Cinderella's Royal Table will actually make you pay ahead of time and charge your card. So just be sure on this payment screen, you're really paying attention to what's going on here. Most of them it's just to hold it, and they don't charge you anything, but some of them, like I said, will. So just pay attention. Okay, that's great. I'll use my card I have on file. And then it's going to ask me for a phone number in case they need to get a hold of me. And then here's all the terms and services down here. And say, yes, I've read your guest policies and I'm going to reserve. And then once I get that confirmation, it will pull up here and I can go back to my plans and I can see it in my plans. One thing about dining reservations, just remember people's plans change all the time. So if you aren't able to get a reservation that you want, just keep checking back because chances are, somebody will have made a cancellation and, it's available at that time. So here's that reservation we just made. I can view my confirmation here. And if I need to change or cancel my reservation, I can easily do that here as well. So that is how you make an advanced dining reservation in the My Disney Experience app. And I hope this was helpful for you guys. Thanks. Have a great day.